Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to use the power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose power management. Here you've got the information about your battery. Let's choose power manager, the first option, and here, as you can see, you are using the none of the power saving mode. You can choose the normal mode, so you can read the instruction and tap open if you would like to. The device reduce some of the apps and optimize some of the battery consumptions. And if you would like to, you can even use the extreme mode right here. This mode has lots of restrictions, but let me open this. Let's tap open. The ALLVIEW is opening the ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme mode. That's it. As you can see here, you can only use the following apps, so it's very basic stuff. But if you would like to quit this mode, it's very easy. Let's choose Exceed Extreme mode, tap OK. The device is quitting the extreme mode. And that's it. Now you are using the normal mode of your ALLVIEW. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.